Whatever it is that is going on, I'm begging everyone to please embrace peace. No one stole from me. No one offended me. No one did bad to me. But I am just this person. My ways might not be satisfactory to you, which is understandable. When something is done,
This video that I'm making now is for Queen Mother. I hope you all saw that video. You saw what she said there. And fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí rí fídíò yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí mọ nǹkan tó fa fídíò yìí ẹ ṣì máa padà rí.
ẹ̀yin tèmi lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó ń jà rìnrìn kiri ní ẹnu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí tó ti ń lọ lọ́tùn lósì nípa ọ̀rọ̀ wípé ó apologize kò apologize sí Tóyìn Abraham àti arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí LIZZY Anjorin. ọ̀rọ̀ náà ti bẹ́yìn yọba yìí ò bí arábìnrin yìí bí ó ṣe tan ìmọ́lẹ̀ sí bí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ náà bí ó ṣe rí. ẹ̀yin tèmi ọ̀pọ̀rọ̀ kágbọ̀n ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ìdí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ìdí tí Queen Mother Iyabo Ojo tí ó fi ṣe fídíò yẹn gangan. Ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́.
Believe that because internet no dey forget. So in that video, in my first video or thereabouts, Mama Sister accused me of stealing Priscilla's bracelet, abi chain. I don't even know what she called it. She said it's a gold emoji. And she said it on the live video that she called Iyabo Ojo before staging the show, but Iyabo Ojo said she shouldn't worry. That come and worry, come back be come back be. And when that live was sent to me, obviously I'm not for I've actually blocked her. When it was sent to me, I was like, no, I can't even. This day people are just saying, come out and debunk. I say, what do I have to do? Do you hear it directly from Iyabo Ojo? This was one of my comments here. I said, do you hear it directly from Iyabo Ojo? But when the comment and DM was kind of much, I was like, okay, let me just come out and talk. I didn't actually come out because of Iyabo Ojo, because I know Iyabo Ojo will never say that to her. Iyabo Ojo will never say it to her. Even if it's something that I do, Iyabo Ojo will, I know that she will prefer asking me, like talking to me directly, other than going to a blogger to say, that woman is too busy and you all can hear it directly from her. So Queen Mother, my woman, my mama, thank you so much. God bless you for actually coming outside to disclaim and to debunk that particular story about you telling her that I stole something. I know you will never say that, my woman. I know you can never say that. I trust you 100%. Wípé tó bá tẹ̀ jẹ́ nǹkan tí èmi mo tún tí mo ṣe ni, you will come and talk to me. You will ask me first. You will even challenge me. Oh my dija. I know you no go agree. Only a coward ló máa lọ báyàn kan pé bá mi lọ sọ̀rọ̀ kan. Nígbà tẹ́yin náà lẹ́nu tẹ́lẹ̀ fi sọ. And I trust you, my woman, that you are not. And that was what I said in my write-up yesterday. The one I posted everywhere, including my Facebook. That Iyabo Ojo can never say such to her. And whoever is close to her already know. Because I don't know why people are watching that lies. She was lying to you on a live video there, and you people believed it. Because if you didn't believe, you would not even be coming to my DM and my comment section and asking me, is it true that I stole something? Have you heard it from her directly? But anyways, we're not going to address that now until, I go live. So, Mama, thank you so much. I want to come and thank you. Thank you for actually coming out to disclaim, to say that I, Motun, did not steal from you, and I have never stolen anything from you. God bless you, ma. I really appreciate, ma. Iṣẹ́ yín lágbára Ọlọ́run kò ní díṣẹ́. Everything ní gbogbo ìgbésí ayé yín, progress yín ó máa lọ sókè sí ni. Ẹni jábọ̀ inú ní rí wàhálà, because accusation kan accuse èèyàn pé èèyàn jalè nǹkan tó lágbára ni. Kan accuse èèyàn pé èèyàn olè lèèyàn kò ń ṣe nǹkan kékeré. Òjẹ́ǹtì tó lè tẹ̀lé èèyàn títí ayérayé ni. Even àwọn eléyìí tó ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ náà kò ń ṣe nǹkan kékeré. Saying ẹ olè ni ó jí àjọ, mi ò jí àjọ. Ẹ pé àwọn tó wá fẹjọ́ sùn yín pé ṣáà tí ìṣàjọ rí, ṣé wọn ò tí ìgbàjọ lọ́wọ́ mi léraléra rí. So if any shit happen, ó yẹ ká jọ fi sùúrù yanjú ẹ̀ ní. Tí má ti ṣe dáadáa fún ẹ rí, ọjọ́ tí mistake bá wáyé, ó yẹ ká jọ fi sùúrù ká fi yanjú ẹ̀ ní. But since tó yẹ pé they all saw me as tó ti close mọ́ celebrity, àwọn máa drag celebrity yẹn, àwọn máa gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. That was what all of them thought. Kó tó di pé wọ́n wá ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe yìí. Do you understand? And the reason why I fell down at that time was because I was actually very sick at that period, and also because her name was mentioned, and they purposely mentioned her name because they wanted to bring her down. They wanted to stop her. They know that our movie is outside. If you people think you love her at that time, you're not supposed to even do that stuff because I saw on WhatsApp, I see your dream, I saw everything. There's never been any way that I denied you people or that I said, ni rowo yin gba mi ò ní fún yín. There's never been any way. I only told you, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ parí, tájọ bá parí, ẹ máa gbowó yín. That was what I said. And tí mi bá dẹ̀ tí fún yín lówó yín níbi ẹ ní ìdí lásìkò, mi ò fi pé solution ni pé kẹ́ wá síta, kẹ́ máa drag mi, kẹ́ tún máa drag orúkọ Iyabo Ojo sínú ẹ̀, saying that ó forúkọ mi, ó forúkọ Iyabo Ojo fi gbowó lọ́wọ́ wa. Kò síbi tí mo ti bá yín sọ pé Iyabo Ojo ló ní àjọ, àbí kẹ́ wá ṣàjọ torí Iyabo Ojo. No, I didn't say that. Orúkọ mi dẹ̀ làjọ yẹn ń jẹ́. Ẹ tó join, orúkọ mi ló ń jẹ́. Mo dẹ̀ ti ń ṣàjọsí, mo ti sọ lórí life dáadáa, mo ti polówó ẹ̀ everywhere. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ń bá mi ṣàjọ dáadáa. Community yẹn àti ṣàjọ oríṣiríṣi. Ìgbà tẹ́yìn náà join, ẹ bá mi ṣàjọ. A dẹ̀ ṣì rí àwọn members náà tó ń ṣọ̀rọ̀ 4 or 5 tí wọ́n ń bá mi ṣàjọ tó yẹ pé wọ́n gbowó lọ́wọ́ mi dé ní tí wọn ò dẹ̀ lè sọ pé mo jẹ àwọn lówó kankan. So ẹ̀yin ni shit ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin mi àti yín. Sùúrù ló yẹ kẹ́ fi bá mi yanjú ẹ̀, but ẹ fi sùúrù yanjú ẹ̀ because I feel like tẹ́ bá drag ẹ̀, Iyabo Ojo máa lé, ó máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Ìyẹn ò mí pé kémi bínú sí woman yẹn because nǹkan tẹ́yin náà aim láti ṣe fún nígbà yẹn nǹkan tó wà terrible ni. Tó bá dẹ̀ yẹ pé ẹ̀yin náà ẹ mọ̀ wípé kò easy kéèyàn tó fowó produce movie tẹ̀dẹ̀ really genuinely love ẹ̀, you not even drag her into it that time. There's always a way to do it. But regardless, no, it's not as if I didn't share a part of the blame too. So ìyẹn ti lọ. So Mama, I am so sorry. I am very sorry, and I'm very grateful wípé ẹ wá sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ sọ. For people to know that I didn't steal anything from you. Ẹ ṣé gan, mo dúpẹ́ o. Àwọn ọmọ tí yín náà ò ní kú, àwọn ọmọ yín ò ní rùn. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, ẹ ní rí wàhálà lórúkọ Jésù. Orúkọ yín kò ní bàjẹ́. Business yín, iṣẹ́ yín, kò ní bàjẹ́. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. A ti ń rí yín lókè, ẹ ní jábọ́. That's why I choose you. And that's the reason why I will keep choosing and choosing and choosing you. Because you are different. You are different. Tó bá jẹ́ pé lómi ní sí máa ní kí ló kàn mí bẹ́ẹ̀ kàn máa yanjú ara wọn. But you are very different. That's why you are very different. Ọ̀nà yẹn jìn gbọgbọrọ síra wọn. Ẹ bá ní a ò ní ìyá ńlé ni ṣọmọ wàhálà tí yín nìyẹn. Táwa bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ èèyàn máa ń lágídí pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ni. Do you understand? Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ ṣe tó tún fẹ́ worst ju eléyìí tẹ́ ti ṣe lọ. So Mama, òṣùbà mi rèé, ẹ ṣé gan, mo dúpẹ́ o. God bless you, ma. Thank you so much for coming outside to debunk that particular statement and to letting people know that I didn't steal anything. You even tried to say we all should make peace. As for me, I am at peace with everybody. Thank you so much, ma. I love you and I will continue loving you. God bless you.